Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. You can see the book which is in my hand. The title of the book says Frankfurt's Business Accounting MCQ questions, multiple choice questions, right? So we are going to discuss these questions one by one, and you'll see that how many questions we will complete. I will try that one question in one video, so you can focus and you can understand. Thank you very much. So the first topic is accounting equation and the balance sheet, and in this topic there are 5 questions. I just want to check it, 5 or no. In this there are 9 questions, 9 small questions. So I'll see that how can we do that, and for that I have to read the question paper, the question, and then one by one I will explain. Question number 1.1. Which of the following is an asset of the firm? Which of the following is an asset of the firm? Assets. Assets are economic resources. Assets are economic resources. We have fixed assets, which are also known as long-term assets, non-current assets, and fixed assets adds value in the generation of revenue of an organization. These are called fixed assets. We have current assets as well. Current assets: cash, bank, account receivable, prepayments. These are current assets. So we come back to the question. Which of the following is an asset of the firm? Option A, machinery owned by the firm. Machinery owned by the firm. Option 1. Option A, machinery owned by the firm. Option B, money owed by the firm to one of its suppliers in respect of goods purchased on credit. C, the overdrawn balance on the firm's bank statement. C, the overdrawn balance on the firm's bank statement. And 4, the capital of the firm. I repeat the question. The question is, which of the following is an asset of the firm? So now we are going to see, now we will see all options one by one. Option A, money owned by the firm, machinery owned by the firm. Yes, this is the answer. Machinery is an asset. Property, plant, equipment, machinery, these are the assets. So here option A. Why? Because the term machinery is being used in this question, so machinery is the correct answer. Machinery is an asset. B, option B was money owed by the firm to one of its suppliers. Who are the suppliers? We have created suppliers, we have created customers. Suppliers are those people by whom we bought the goods. Goods are those items which we bought for resale. These are goods. So we bought the goods for resale from some people, and these people are called credit suppliers, and we are going to sell to some people. So suppose not immediately on the cash, but we will take the money later. It means on account or on credit. That is basically our credit customer. So we come back to the option B. Option B, he says money owed by the firm to one of its supplier in respect of goods purchased on credit. This is not the answer. This is a liability account. Money owed by the firm to one of its suppliers. Supplier is what? Supplier is basically creditors. So in respect of goods purchased on credit. In this option, the two terms tell us, number 1, the supplier and on credit. These two terms tell us that this is not the correct answer. Number C, an overdrawn balance on the firm's bank statement. An overdrawn balance on the firm's bank statement. Overdraft is a short-term liability. So this term tells us this is not the answer. An overdrawn balance on the firm's bank statement. So C is not the answer. And finally, D is not the answer, which is the capital of the firm. Capital means investment. Suppose if I make some investment in my business, so me and my business, they are two different things. In accounting, it's called business entity concept. Owner is separate from business. So capital, we can make investment by two ways. Number one, in cash, and number two, in kind. Suppose I am bringing cash and you are bringing a shop. So we both are investing in the business. So investment is not an asset when we are putting cash into the business or some kind, shop, premises, building, whatever, inventory. So these are investments, because investment means first time you are putting into the business to generate more revenue. So what did we discuss? We discussed question number 1, which of the following is an asset of the firm? The answer was the machinery. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video with question number 1.2. That was 1.1 of Business Accounting 1 MCQs. Thank you.